Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the REOLINK Argus 4 Pro. This is a 4K solar power security camera system with ColorX night vision, 180 degrees blind spot-free view, and a wireless audio camera with dual band Wi-Fi 6, smart AI detection, and no monthly fee with 6-watt solar panel. It's also on the market with the standard night vision, but here we have ColorX 4K night vision, okay? Dual lenses stitch two views into a seamless 180-degree 4K perspective with minimal distortion. And the ColorX enables full color night vision with 10 aperture and 1.8 sensor for true to life details. And featuring a 180 degrees PIR sensor and a wider FOV, drastically reducing the likelihood of false alarms. The world's first battery cam with dual band Wi-Fi 6 for smooth 4K streaming. This offers a flexible local storage including a microSD and home hub integration. You can install up to 128 GB of a microSD card storage on the bottom side of that camera system. Here comes the REOLINK Argus 4 Pro. 180 degrees blind spot free view and a 4K color vision day and night view. REOLINK established in 2009. This is a cutting-edge global innovator in smart home security and camera solutions. Over the years, they have been devoted to creating the finest security products for home and business owners. Until now, they have offered a full range of reliable and affordable smart home products and helped millions of people from all around the world, gaining the trust of the customers in a professional way, of course. That's the 4K Solar Plus wireless camera here with 180 degrees blind spot free view. And you can see it's really easy to pair that. You will need the app for that. The app's name is, of course, the REOLINK app. REOLINK. And after this, you can pair this device easily via the app, okay? That means we can go and make a photo of the QR code on the camera itself. And then we can go and dock this camera system into our Wi-Fi network. And if we pair them, we are ready to control this camera system from all over the world, because that means you can get the informations, what's going on at home, for example, and you are not at home, but you can have a look in your gun, in Aperture, or something else where you attach this. With full color and night, that's ColorX. This is a game changer in low lighting. It can turn dim lighting into clear and colorful visuals. That's a really cool fact. Of course, IR light cameras, naked eyes, or ColorX night vision is a really other thing beyond this. That brings us the vivid color at night and the refraction free. Unlike traditional IR or spotlight cameras, it can distinguish info against the reflecting surfaces with that. Or we have floodlight cams, for example. Stay unobtrusive. Without the fill-in lights, it stays unnoticed at night. No more false alerts from curious critters. And of course, a maximized efficiency. 2 watt hours saved, plus 30% battery life. That means plus 12 days standby. 30% more battery saves 2 watt per hour and extends the standby time by 12 days comparing with an IR 4K camera at night. And we have an enhanced smart detection. The PIR sensor works with its 180 degrees field of view for comprehensive ultra-wide detection AI features. That means motion zone, no subscriptions, smart detections, everything included. And we can make a custom motion detection. Define custom motion zones to receive alerts only from areas of the interests, avoiding unwanted alerts. And local storage. Diverse local storage. It supports microSD cards up to 128 GB, FTP servers, and REOLINK Home Hub series up to 1 TB is supported. You see, the microSD card and the Home Hub are not included, but you can buy them separately. And flexible installation. Flexible mounting options, ceiling, wall, or positions the solar panel for optimal sun exposure with a 4-meter cable. So you can attach it to a tree, for example. It's possible. You can attach it to your wall. That's possible. Or on a ceiling. It's possible. No problem. And lower latency and WPA3 greater stability and fast streaming with Wi-Fi 6. Ready, smooth, 4K. Because Wi-Fi 6 provides more stability, lower latency, and faster streaming capability. And on top we have Bluetooth support. We connect effortlessly with Bluetooth pairing function through the app. So we have more two-way audio. We see, we hear, and we talk to whoever the camera catches. A hello to friends or a warning to foes. And we catch every moment. We capture stunning landscape or observe dynamic city scenes in fast motion. And 12 online stream and 20 user account. That means multi-user remote access. It supports maximum of 12 devices to live stream at the same time. 2 main streams and 10 substreams. And we have 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz. Dual band Wi-Fi. We choose the robust 5 GHz band for strong signal strength, enabling smooth and uninterrupted data flow with that option. The image sensor is a 1.8 inches CMOS sensor. The resolution is 5120 to 1440 in 8 megapixels. At 15 frames with an aperture of 4mm fixed. Video compression is H.264 and H.265. The field of view horizontal is 180 degrees, vertical 50 degrees. We have no infrared night vision on that device here, because we have color night vision. This is ColorX and spotlights. 3-piece, 2-watt, 6500K. Audio is two-way audio, and the power port is USB Type-C port, so you can install it, of course, with the solar panel. But you can also use a power bank, for example, to get the energy into that device here, for example. That's no problem. SD card slot supports maximum 128 GB of microSD card. The operation frequency is 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. And PIR detection distance adjustable up to 10 meters. These are 33 feet. And we can zoom in, day and time digital zoom, with a time-lapse function. Operation temperature from -10 degrees Celsius to 55. These are 14 degrees Fahrenheit up to 131. Weatherproof IP66. And we can user access maximum 12 simultaneous streaming, 2 main and 10 substreams. That's a really cool device for security. That's the REOLINK Argus 4 Pro with 4K solar security camera system. Thanks REOLINK for the support, and thanks for viewing. Thanks for everything, and see you next time again. Please subscribe me. Soon, soon.